Hello, right, welcome to another video. Right, what we've got today is, we've got BECAUSERACECARBOX. I've already tucked in a bit to it. But let's see what you get in this month's August BECAUSERACECARBOX. So we got the picture, 350Z, awesome car. I already know what I've got in it. We got a air freshener. We got some shampoo by PowerMax as well. And what we got here? Oh, we got Infinity Wax Wipeout Snow Foam. So that's supposed to be quite good. Will it focus? There we go. Yeah, Wipeout Snow Foam. We got Polish Pigs Wheel Cleaner. Again, it's really good brand, this. Polish Pigs. I've used quite a lot of their products now, and I like them. What else we got? We got Infinity Wax Bleeding Iron Fallout Remover. You can see that. There we go. Yep. And we got Juicy Details Pre-Wash Bug and Grime Remover. So Juicy, they're coming up now. Juicy, they've been really good. The last products that they've been bringing out, top quality and well priced as well. And Clear Lube. So yeah, can you see that? There you go, yeah. I don't know what's up with this camera just recently. It's taking a while to sort, just like switch focuses. I'll have to play around in settings or something. And, we got a bar of clay as well to obviously go with that lube. And obviously, we got 3 triggers as well, along with everything, and the usual health and safety. So, right, let's just run the line up again. Right, so these new boxes that they brought out, they're really smart. Really like them. Better than the plain one I got over. It's just a nice thing to open. It's like you look forward to open it because it's a nice box. But anyway, right, here we go. Right, so yeah, we got the Juicy Details Clear Lube. We got the Infinity Wax Liquid Fire Fallout Remover. We got the Juicy Pre-Wash Bug and Grime Remover. We got the Infinity Wax Wipeout Snow Foam. We got the Polish Pigs Wheel Cleaner. Got a little sachet of shampoo from PowerMax. And we got a PowerMax air freshener as well. Oh, and the I almost forgot. Look at that. How much clay you get. So again, definitely worth 15 quid a month. Definitely go and get yourself a box. Go and subscribe now. BECAUSERACECARBOX.com. Get in the subscription box every month, and in the coupon code type CHOC10. I'll put it in the corner there as well, and that'll get you 10% off your first order or anything else on site. So yeah, I think that will be it.